When I first began my journey into automated trading, my goal was simple: to make money. I already had solid trading experience and a hunger for success. I was willing to put in the time, the energy, and the discipline to grow as a trader. But over time, I started to notice something unsettling. Manual trading wasn't cutting it. The profits were inconsistent, and even when I did make money, I couldn't maintain a reliable rhythm. Emotions, overtrading, hesitation, all of these factors kept pulling me back from reaching my full potential. That's when I started to explore expert advisors, and ultimately, I discovered MetaFlux. Since integrating MetaFlux Elite Trader into my system, everything has changed. Yesterday, I decided to plug the Elite version onto the gold chart, XAU/USD, using the 5-minute time frame, specifically to take advantage of short-term momentum and volatility. Gold has always been known for its explosive moves, and I needed a strategy that could respond with precision and confidence. MetaFlux Elite Trader did exactly that. It handled entry and exit points automatically, managed risk without my intervention, and scalped the market with smooth, calculated precision. No fear, no hesitation, just logic and speed. What you are looking at is the system in operation, trading gold on 5-minute time frame in real time. Right now, the MetaFlux Elite Trader has just opened buy positions on gold, and we are floating in the negative. Take profits level 1 to 6 has been placed, stop loss also placed, and the system is already managing these open trades, gradually making modifications on these 12 open trades. The strategy behind MetaFlux Elite Trader is simple, yet incredibly powerful. It is designed to buy when bullish momentum begins, and to sell when that momentum starts to accumulate on the bearish side. This means the expert advisor doesn't chase price or trade blindly. Instead, it waits for precise signals that indicate the market is gaining strength in a particular direction. At the same time, I wanted to push my scalping to the next level. So I attached MetaFlux Pro Trader to the BTC/USD chart on the 1-minute time frame. This wasn't a move for the faint-hearted. It was aggressive scalping at its finest. Bitcoin's constant price fluctuations offer some of the best opportunities for short, quick trades, and MetaFlux Pro was built for that exact purpose. Having two expert advisors run side by side is incredible. Both systems will enter and exit trades and look for profits on micro movements that would be nearly impossible to catch manually. This feels like having two professionals working for me, one handling gold volatility with a sharp edge, the other mastering crypto scalps with relentless speed. The MetaFlux Pro Trader has just initiated new positions on the Bitcoin, BTC, USD chart, and the precision in its execution is truly impressive. As soon as the trade was triggered, the expert advisor automatically began placing structured take-profit levels and an appropriate stop-loss, setting up a smart and secure framework for managing the position. This process happens in real time and is fully autonomous, requiring no manual input or emotional decision-making. Having two expert advisors running side by side is an incredible experience that transforms the entire trading process. It's like building your own trading team, one that works 24/7 with unwavering focus and zero emotional bias. Both systems are constantly scanning the markets, calculating price action, and executing trades with surgical precision. Take profits just been hit. From this point forward, MetaFlux Pro will actively manage these trades, monitoring market conditions, adjusting dynamically where necessary, and ensuring that every trade is either closed in profit or strategically exited if the market moves unfavorably. It's not just about automation. It's about intelligent trade management that adapts to live conditions. They enter and exit trades based on real-time momentum shifts, capturing profits from micro movements that would be nearly impossible for any human to catch consistently. The speed, accuracy, and logic behind each trade feels like watching two expert traders in action, one perfectly tuned into the volatile rhythm of gold, slicing through price surges with a sharp edge, and the other aggressively navigating the fast, unpredictable waves of the crypto market with relentless precision. Gold is currently being traded using the 5-minute time frame, while Bitcoin is running on the 1-minute time frame, and although both expert advisors are built on the same core trading strategy, the difference in timeframes brings a unique trading experience to each. Both systems operate using the MetaFlux strategy, which focuses on momentum-based entries and calculated trade management. However, the customizable input settings between MetaFlux Elite Trader and MetaFlux Pro Trader allow them to respond differently to market speed and volatility. While the underlying logic remains the same, the way each trade is managed depends largely on the time frame it's operating on. The 1-minute chart offers faster price action, more frequent candle formations, and rapid volatility, making it ideal for aggressive scalping, especially in the cryptocurrency market. In contrast, the 5-minute time frame offers more stable trade setups, slightly slower execution, and a better view of short-term momentum trends, which is perfect for assets like gold that experience sharp yet controlled movements. Because of these time-frame dynamics, trade management becomes adaptive. MetaFlux intelligently handles each position based on the pace and volume of market activity, adjusting how it reacts to volatility, how quickly it places or modifies take-profit and stop-loss levels, and how it exits trades. This ability to flex and adapt across timeframes is what gives the MetaFlux system its edge, allowing traders to confidently deploy it across different markets without compromising strategy or precision. Together, they cover different market personalities and timeframes, diversifying my strategy and maximizing profit potential without me lifting a finger. This is more than just automation, it's intelligent delegation, and it gives me the confidence to trade across markets without stress, burnout, or fear of missing out. Gold reaches take profits level 2. You have seen Bitcoin reaching take profits 1 to 6 in a short space of time. You have also noticed that the stop loss gradually adjusts with the price and trails to above entry points to lock profits on MetaFlux Pro Trader. The same thing also happens on gold, even though the stop loss is still below entry. The trail stop loss moves faster on 1 minute because of candle formation. Gold has just reached take profit level 2, securing a portion of profit in line with the MetaFlux Elite Trader's trade management system. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has already hit multiple profit milestones from level 1 to level 6 in a much shorter time, showcasing the sheer speed and frequency of price action on the 1-minute time frame. This difference is expected and highlights the advantage of using MetaFlux expert advisors across different timeframes for diversified strategies. What's even more powerful is how the stop loss dynamically adjusts with the price, acting as a trailing stop that protects profits while giving trades room to grow. On MetaFlux Pro Trader, trading Bitcoin, the stop loss has already trailed to above the entry point, locking in gains and creating a no-risk position that continues to ride the trend. The same intelligent behavior is observed on MetaFlux Elite Trader, which is managing gold. However, due to the slower candle formation on the 5-minute chart, the stop loss is still trailing below the entry point, moving with the market, but at a more measured pace. This variation is not a flaw. It's a feature that highlights how MetaFlux adapts to timeframe speed and candle frequency. The 1-minute chart, with its fast and constant price updates, allows the system to react quickly, adjust faster, and secure profits more aggressively. On the 5-minute chart, the strategy still applies, but with greater patience, allowing for larger moves and more stable trade setups. This intelligent, time-sensitive risk management and profit protection is exactly what makes the MetaFlux series of expert advisors so effective, turning market volatility into strategic advantage. The trailing stop loss on gold has now moved above the entry price, officially locking in profits and eliminating the risk of loss on that trade. This is a perfect example of smart trade management in action, a core feature built into every MetaFlux system. Always remember, the ultimate goal of any serious trader is to accumulate profits and grow capital, not just to trade for fun or because automation makes it easy. At MetaFlux, Every expert advisor is designed with profit generation in mind, and this trading account's history is living proof of that mission in motion. As we speak, the account is sitting on over $12,410 in closed profits, with more than $4,000 in floating profits, all generated in a short time by MetaFlux Elite Trader and MetaFlux Pro Trader, working side by side on different timeframes. This isn't just luck. It's strategy, precision, and automation done right. Whether it's short-term momentum scalping or riding the waves of volatility with confidence, these expert advisors are built to identify high-probability entries, manage trades intelligently, and protect profits like a professional trader would, only faster and without emotion. What stands out the most about MetaFlux Elite and Pro is the emotional freedom they offer. I no longer have to sit in front of the charts, second-guessing my every move. I no longer feel the pressure of needing to be perfect. Instead, I trust the systems I've installed, and that trust has brought peace of mind and consistent performance. This experience reminded me why I transitioned from manual to automated trading in the first place. I wasn't looking for another flashy tool, I needed real results. And MetaFlux has delivered just that. Whether it's the advanced customization of the Elite version or the lightning-fast agility of the Pro version, both EAs bring something unique and valuable to the table. Most importantly, they allow me to trade smarter, faster, and without the emotional baggage that used to hold me back. If you're a trader who's serious about growth, scalability, and long-term profitability, I can confidently say that MetaFlux Elite and MetaFlux Pro are not just tools, they're a complete transformation. It's not about trading more, it's about trading better. And with these expert advisors, that's exactly what I've been able to do. See you on the next one. Automated trading disclaimer. The following content is for educational and informational purposes only. Trading financial markets involves risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. MetaFlux systems are fully automated tools and should be used at your own discretion. We do not provide financial advice and we are not licensed financial advisors. You are solely responsible for any decisions you make while using our tools. Always trade responsibly and never risk more than you can afford to lose.